Structured is a daily planner app designed for people who want clarity without the clutter. Instead of long to-do lists, it helps you map your entire day on a timeline. You simply drag and drop tasks into time slots, creating a visual schedule that feels more like a calendar than a checklist. The interface is clean, minimal, and color-coded, making it easy to see what's next at a glance. You can set recurring tasks, add reminders, and even integrate calendars so everything syncs in one place. Many users love that it takes the guesswork out of planning. Your day is literally laid out for you. The free version covers the basics, but upgrading unlocks features like iCloud Sync, across devices, notifications, and more customization. It's a one-time payment rather than a subscription, which many may find refreshing compared to competitors. On the downside, Structured is iOS only, so Android users are left out. And while the simplicity is its strength, power users might find it a little bit too limited compared to full project management tools. Overall, Structured is perfect if you want a lightweight, visual way to organize your day. And it takes the overwhelm out of planning and replaces it with a clear, structured timeline you can actually stick to.